have dragons. My name's Hiccup. Great name, I know, but it's not the worst.
Denial is a river in Egypt. Your husband is gay.
Like our charming Viking demeanor wouldn't do that.
Morning!
Who, me? No, come on, I'm way too muscular for their taste. They wouldn't know what to do with all this.
Well, they need toothpicks, don't they?
Astrid.
I just died on your arms tonight.
Man the fort, Hiccup. They need me out there. Stay put.
Run. Did anybody see that?
Hey, bestie.
Okay, but I hit a Night Fury.
Just stop. And I have an entire village to feed.
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think?
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. This is a talking fish bone.
It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Yes! I have brought down this mighty beast! I'm a Viking. I am a Viking!
No! God, please, no! No!
You go first.
All right. You get your wish. Dragon training. You start in the morning.
Oh man, I should have gone first. I don't want to fight dragons.
Come on, yes you do.
Bruh.
Rephrase, Dad, I can't kill dragons.
But you will kill dragons.
You on them seas if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeves, Chinese on my sleeve.
No more of this.
You just gestured to all of me.
Deal?
This conversation is feeling very one-sided.
Yeah, it's only fun if you get a scar out of it.
Yeah, no kidding, right? Pain. Love it.
Hiccup already killed a Night Fury, so does that disqualify? I don't know.
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
I believe in learning on the job. Hiccup, get in there!
Another book or a sequel? Maybe a little Night Fury pamphlet?
Focus, Hiccup! Ha! You're not even trying!
Hey, so how would one sneak up on a Night Fury?
No one's ever met one and lived to tell the tale. No.
Hey, bestie.
Bruh.
What's this?
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
You're acting weird. Well, weirder.
She was a fairy.
Jump back. Here. All those years of the worst Viking Burke has ever seen. With you doing so well in the ring, we finally have something to talk about. Your mother would have wanted you to have it. It's half of her breastplate.
Oh my God! Drag me back, go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Why would you do that? Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid.
Bye, bitch.
Da-da-da, we're dead. Oh no. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
You throwing your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
You're a cunt! You're a cunt! You're a cunt! You're a cunt! Bite me, bitch! Hit me, bitch! You must feel horrible. You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend.
Thank you for summing that up. I couldn't.
That's not an answer.
Bruh.
I want to remember what you say right now.
Oh, for the love of it.
Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
You're in my house. Oh, come on.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
So, what do you think?
That's for scaring me.
Was it always gonna be this way?